As the crisp autumn air turns into the sharp chill of winter, we pull our favorite cozy sweaters from the back of the closet. A happy small dog and a simple, colorful sweater standing in a cozy living room. Our beloved canine companions feel the cold just as we do, especially the smaller breeds, those with short coats. There is no reason our dogs can't be as warm and stylish as we are, without needing to spend a fortune on store-bought outfits. This is a wonderful opportunity for a simple, satisfying project. We can create beautiful, custom-fitted winter wear for them using materials we likely already have at home. It's about being cozy on a budget. Before we begin cutting and sewing, let's talk about the most important aspect of any pet project: safety and comfort. A dog's outfit must fit well. It should be snug enough to stay on and provide warmth, but never so tight that it restricts movement, breathing, or circulation. We must always choose non-toxic materials and avoid small, loose embellishments like buttons or beads that could be chewed off and become a choking hazard. Always supervise your pet when they are wearing new clothes for the first time to ensure they are comfortable and safe. A well-made garment is a joy for both you and your pet. The beauty of this project lies in its simplicity and affordability. You can create something wonderful with very little. Start by looking through your own closet for an old sweater that you no longer wear, a soft wool cashmere blend, a thick cotton knit. Fleece is another fantastic material. An old fleece blanket, an old fleece jacket. Choose a fabric that is soft, warm, and has a little bit of stretch. Repurposing what you already own is economical and environmentally friendly. Here is a short list of materials you might need. You won't need everything for every project. Fabric, old sweaters, fleece blankets, thick t-shirts, measuring tape, scissors, sewing supplies, a needle and thread, or a sewing machine. Choose a thread color that matches or contrasts nicely. Fasteners, Velcro strips, plastic snaps. Optional for boots, non-toxic fabric glue, puffy paint for grip, faux leather for soles. Think about safety and comfort for your pet. Ensure fabrics are breathable and won't irritate your dog's skin. Wash old sweaters first. For boot designs, grip is key. Puffy fabric paint adds non-slip pads so your dog walks securely. Costs: no sew is practically zero. A lined coat can be under $10. It's a wonderfully inexpensive way to show your pet you care. This is the fastest and easiest way to make a cozy sweater for a small to medium-sized dog. It requires no sewing skills at all, just careful measuring and cutting. The perfect source is the sleeve of an old sweater. A ribbed cuff works beautifully as a finished collar. Ideal for a quick solution on a chilly day or your first DIY pet apparel. It's so simple and satisfying, you might make one in every color. First, take two simple measurements. Measure the circumference of the thickest part of your dog's neck, where a collar would sit. Then measure from the base of the neck to the base of the tail. Choose a sleeve a bit wider than your dog's neck. Mark the length you want. About halfway down the back is a good start. Cut straight across. You now have a simple fabric tube. Flatten the tube and cut two small semicircles on one side, a few inches from the cuff, spaced to your dog's chest width. To put it on, gently slip the tube over the head with the cuff as the collar, then guide the front paws through. The fabric should stretch comfortably around the chest, providing warmth where it's needed most. Use knit or fleece that won't unravel since there are no seams. A quick repurpose, practical and stylish, optional. Step-by-step infographic. For a more tailored and durable garment, a basic sewn sweater is an excellent project. It offers better coverage and a snugger fit, ideal for colder weather or active dogs. Create a custom pattern from your dog's measurements to ensure a perfect fit every time. Simple sewing by hand or with a machine works great. The result is a classic, comfortable sweater. Draw a rectangle, add a tapered neck, and round the back corners. Width is half the chest plus 1-inch seam allowance. Length matches back length. Also, cut a smaller chest panel. pin patterns to stretchy fabric and cut one back panel and one chest panel. Lay the back panel right side up. Place the chest panel right side up and align the neck. Pin one shoulder, sew, then the side seam to create one leg hole. Repeat on the other side. Leave the neck, second leg hole, and bottom hem open. Fold about 1/2 inch and stitch for neat edges. Fleece won't fray, so hemming is optional. Try it on. It should slip over the head easily and provide wonderful warmth. Yeah, it really looks great. For the coldest winter days, a lined fleece coat provides superior insulation and protection. This design is a proper jacket, often with a second layer and fasteners like Velcro or snaps. You can add a charming hood for style and a bit of wind or light snow protection. Though more involved, the steps are straightforward, yielding a durable, high-quality coat. Make 2 identical shapes, one outer fleece, one lining. Draft a wrap pattern that covers the back with a flap under the chest that secures at the side. Easy on, easy off. Perfect for older dogs or those who dislike pullovers. Cut one of each, place right sides together, and pin around the edges. Sew the perimeter, leaving a 4-inch gap. Turn it through the gap, gently push out corners, and press on low heat. Top stitch all the way around to close the opening and finish the edge. Sew fasteners to the flap inside. Velcro is adjustable and easy. Feeling ambitious? Draft and attach a simple 2-piece hood. This lined coat is luxurious and practical. A dog's paws are sensitive to extreme temperatures, salt, and chemicals used to de-ice sidewalks. Simple homemade boots can protect and keep paws clean and dry. First, an easy slip-on bootie from old socks. Best indoors or for quick dry trips. Choose a sock snug but not tight. Child sizes fit small to medium dogs. Cut to height, no hem needed if elastic holds. Add non-slip grip with non-toxic puffy paint in dots or lines. Let dry, then turn right side out for great traction. For rugged, wet terrain, sew a boot with a water-resistant upper and a tougher sole like faux leather or yoga mat rubber. Trace the paw for a sole pattern. Make a rectangle for the upper cuff. Cut 4 of each. Sew the short ends of each upper to form cuffs. Pin, sole to cuff, right sides together, sew carefully around, turn right side out. Add a Velcro strap near the top so they stay on, make one for each paw, and you're ready for winter adventures. So yeah, pretty handy. Visual example. Once you've mastered the basics, have fun with styling. Combine colors and patterns. A plain gray sweater comes to life with a colorful collar and trim. Add iron-on patches. Make sure they're securely attached, or embroider your dog's initial. For early or evening walks, sew reflective trim into seams. It's smart safety and stylish too. Coordinate with your outfit for a matching look. Keep safety first. Secure embellishments firmly. Fit should be snug, not restrictive. You should fit 2 fingers under the garment. Check leg holes and neck for chafe. When wearing booties, check paws often for rubbing and ensure nails don't catch. Machine wash on gentle with cold water and mild detergent. Lay flat to dry to preserve shape. Over time, seams may loosen or patches peel. Keep a small repair kit. Quick mending extends life. Creating something for your pet is deeply rewarding. It's a practical way to show love while keeping them safe and warm. Start with the no-sew pullover. It's easy and fun. Always prioritize comfort and safety. With these simple patterns and a bit of creativity, you're ready to make this winter the coziest and most stylish season yet for your 4-legged family member.